Choose freedom, choose adventure, choose leisure.
Hi campers! Welcome back to the Choose Leisure Motorhome channel. My name's Dawn.
And my name is Mark, and we are your dedicated handover technicians down here at Choose Leisure Motorhomes in Canterbury Kent. So Dawn, on a glorious day like today, what are we going to be doing down here at Choose Leisure?
So today we're going to take you behind the scenes and we're going to give you the ultimate tour of Choose Leisure.
Yes, the glamorous and exciting world that is camping. So yeah, let's go for it.
So everyone is welcomed into Choose Leisure here, straight into the reception, where the receptionist is always here to greet you with a smile.
So here we are campers in the sales department, where we will find our sales team that will always be here to give you some advice and help you with your choice of van. And if they're not here, they'll be out on the pitch looking to help you there as well.
So just opposite the sales department, we have our service department, which is where the team here are dedicated to helping you with any of your after-sale needs.
So from service campers, we have all our consumables, our TVs, all the products you'll need to make your camping trip an absolute joy.
And this is where the magic happens, the handover bay.
This is where you get a dedicated handover, and as far as I know, as to my knowledge, one of the only companies that has a dedicated handover team. This is what Dawn and I do. We help you through the process of your van.
Absolutely, the whole idea is you get up to a 2-hour demonstration with us. We go through all the aspects of your new vehicle so that when you leave here, you can feel confident that you know how everything works and go straight out on your first trip.
And go camping.
So from the handover bay, we walk out into the rear of the showroom, which is at the moment full of our Carthagos.
And in our front showroom, the McLouis. So follow me campers into the nerve centre of Choose Leisure. This is where all your finance happens, all the official bits and bobs and documents are signed, and through here we have the marketing department.
Just here we have the crow's nest, which is always the best view of the house.
Campers, you've seen the inside, now let's take you out on the pitch. So campers, here in this corner of our lovely lot, we have Auto Sleeper Avenue.
Also known as Etrusco End,
Hillside Hill,
Leica Lane,
and Swift Street, and any of the other lovely motorhomes that we have here on the show.
Depending on what stock we have down here at the time.
Hillside, Auto Sleeper, Swift.
So come on then campers, if you follow us, we're going to take you round our used section.
All our lovely pre-loved vehicles.
So behind us we've got habitation servicing
and the valeting, and they make those vans look absolutely super for you when you come and pick up your van.
So here we are, these are our PDI workshops, mechanical and also our parts department.
State-of-the-art development over here to look after and guarantee the quality of your van when you buy from Choose Leisure Motorhomes. So there we are campers, that was our wonderful tour around Choose Leisure with all these beautiful people to look after your van.
Yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you keep up with future content.
And until next time,
carry on camping!